Hey, it's Miss Alana, and guess what? We are almost done with our Ronaldinho soccer math sheet. We are working on our last column about the monthly salary. So if you need help with the boring questions, the height questions, and the weight questions, go and find the other videos on our YouTube channel. And don't forget, subscribe to Miss Alana's class YouTube channel so you can get all our learning videos and learn more and more math every day so you get smarter and smarter every day. All right, so are you ready to work on the last thing? Yes! All right, so here we are. Let me zoom in. And we are working right here. Oh my goodness, look. He's giving you some love. I'm giving you some love. Are you ready to receive the love? Are you ready? Bam, 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 bam. And get some love for you and all of you and your family and friends. All right, so let's look at the monthly salary. Now, what is a salary? Miss Alana, what is a salary? A salary is how much money you get from your job. So when you become a grown-up, or maybe you already have a job now, however much money you get paid, that is called your salary. So maybe your mom or your dad, they have a job, they get paid, they have a salary. If your grandparent, uncle, aunt, a cousin, a family member, a family friend has a job, whatever they get paid, that's a salary. I'm a teacher, and guess what? I get a salary too. That's how much money I get paid. Now, looking at this paper and this information, it says that Ronaldinho makes $190,000 per month, because that's how much he gets a month. What? Raise your hand if you want to make that much money in a month, $190,000 a month. Some people might say, whoa, that's a lot of money. Do you know why he makes so much money? Well, not because he's a soccer player, because he figured out what he's really good at. He figured out what his talent is and what his gift is, his gift to share with the world. And did you know that you have a gift, you have a talent to share with the world too? Maybe you know what it is, maybe you don't know what it is yet, but you have it deep down inside what your gift and your talent is. So once you figure that out, then, okay, you don't just go to your job and be like, bam, let me get some money because I'm so good. What do you have to do? You have to work really, really hard and practice at whatever you want to do. So remember, figure out what you love, what you're good at, what you're talented at. And if you don't know, search for it and try different things out to figure out what you're special at. All right, are you ready to do some math? Okay, so it says here that he makes $190,000 in a month. The first question says, how much does he earn in a year? Now, do you know how many months there are in a year? There are 12. Look, it's right there. 1 year equals 12 months. So there are 12 months in a year. Do you know what the months of the year are? All right, say it with me. And if you don't know, say it with me so you will learn. Let's go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right, let's do that one more time. This time, let's go a little bit faster. Ready? Go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months, and I know I said your birthday month. I said my birthday month in there. I know I said yours too. Right, you ready? Let's read our hint. Our hint says, to calculate how much money he earns in a year, and we would call that an annual salary. Annual means a year. You would multiply his monthly salary by 12. So what operation do we have to do? We need to multiply. All right, so right there, let me see. Bam, bam. We need to multiply his monthly salary by 12. So what was his monthly salary? 190,000 times 12. Now, Oh my goodness, do you remember something that I taught you before? Or maybe you don't remember. So if I don't, this right here will blow your mind. Do you remember what we talked about zeros? Zeros got a lot of things going on. What do zeros like to do? Zeros like to roll and they like to hang out. So guess what these zeros are going to do? These zeros are going to roll and they're going to hang out. Let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to erase this and write it over. And I'm going to say times 12. That way the zeros, they rolled out to the side and they're just going to hang out. So right now the zeros are hanging out. We're going to them later. Don't worry about them now. And let's go ahead and multiply. So it's like we're multiplying this 19 and 12. The zeros, they're hanging out. Let's not bother them right now. All right, so I can do 2 times 9, which is 18. Write the 8 and carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And then I have 1 times 9 is, oh, hold on. Oh, thank you. I almost forgot. We're done with that 2. So what do? Cross it out. Cross out that 2. Cross out that 1. I'm done with that. I do 1 times 9. Oh, see, I keep forgetting. Placeholder. Forgot about placeholder. Right there, placeholder. 1 times 9 is 9. And then 1 times 1 is 1. And now we do add them. All right, 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 9. Remember how we add that if you don't know? Start with the big number 9. 9 in your mind. 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Write the 2. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Guess what? Now it's time for the zeros. They're done hanging out. And what do they do now? They drop it down to the ground. It's time for the zeros to come back in the problem and drop it to the ground. Let me show you how you do that. Take that 0. Bam. Drop it right there. The next 0. Bam. Drop it right there. The next 0. Bam. Drop it right there. And the last 0. Bam. Drop it right there. Whew. Okay, we're not done yet. What are we missing? Some commas. So we start at the end, count 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. One more thing we're forgetting, the unit. The unit, put it right there, $sign. Help me say this number. This is 2,280,000. Say that again, 2,280,000. And that is 2,280,000 what? Dollars that he earns per year. So I'm going to add that here at the end. Per year. Bam, right there. Ronaldinho earns $2,280,000 per year. Now, there's another question, but guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to stop this video here because the last video I recorded, I don't know what happened. It glitched at the end when I was done, and it didn't let me record. So I don't know if it was too long. So I'm going to stop this and then find the next video for the last question. Then we'll be done. We'll be done with this sheet. So keep on going. Keep on going. We're almost done. Yes. See you in a bit.